Good morning everyone. So today we are going to discuss the numericals based on kinematics 1, that is motion in a straight line, as well as we are going to discuss the numericals based on relative velocity. So let us take a question. This is your textbook question 3.9. Two towns A and B are connected by a regular bus service with a bus leaving in either direction every t minutes. A man cycling with a speed of 20 km per hour in a direction from A to B notices that a bus goes past him every 18 minutes and in the direction of his motion and every 6 minutes in a direction opposite to his motion. What is the time period t of the bus service and with what speed do the buses ply on the road? So assuming it has been given in the question that you can assume that the speed of the buses is a constant. So the question says that 3.9 of your textbook, two towns, let us say town A and town B, are connected with a bus service which leaves in t minutes फ्रॉम ईदर साइड. ए से बी और बी से ई की तरफ बसेस कितने हर टी मिनट्स में निकल रही हैं. एंड लेट अस एज्यूम कि वेलोसिटी ऑफ द बसेस इज कांस्टेंट. ए से बी और बी से बी जाने वाली बसेस का वेलोसिटी भी क्या है, कांस्टेंट है. दैट इज व्हाट वी हैव कंसीडर्ड, राइट. अ साइक्लिस्ट इज मूविंग विद अ स्पीड ऑफ 20 किलोमीटर पर आवर and what he observed that a bus is going in his direction in every 18 minutes and a bus is coming in a direction opposite in every 6 minutes. You have to find t and you have to find v. I repeat the question. The two towns are connected by a bus service. The buses are leaving after every t minutes, right? तो ये जो buses का जो speed है ये हमने 6 ले लिया है, right? Buses का speed we have taken v, not 6. We have taken, there is a cyclist who is moving with a speed of 20 km per hour from A to B. He observed that कि उसके डायरेक्शन में हर 18 मिनट में एक बस पास हो रही है और ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन से हर 6 मिनट में एक बस पास हो रही है. तो व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द कांस्टेंट टाइम इंटरवल इन विच द बसेस आर प्लाइंग ऑन द रोड एंड वी आल्सो हैव टू फाइंड आउट द कांस्टेंट स्पीड विद विच द बसेस आर मूविंग. सो लेट अस कंसीडर दैट कांस्टेंट स्पीड इज v. Right, so let us take motion from A to B. We are considering the motion of the person from A to B, or we are considering the buses are plying from A to B. When cyclist is also in the same direction and the buses are also plying in the same direction, so what will be the relative velocity for two vectors which are along the same direction, right? From A to B, relative speed of, we can say relative speed of in the direction of motion, relative speed of bus will be, दोनों same direction में है, so it will be v minus 20 kilometer per hour, right? v minus 20 because both of them are in the same direction, right? So these buses are plying and what we can say is the buses are plying in the direction goes past the cyclist. उसके direction में हर 18 मिनट में bus is passing. So we can write that distance covered speed into, distance covered is speed into time. So we can write v minus 20 into time. हर 18 मिनट में, 18 मिनट को हमने r में कन्वर्ट कर लिया. But what should be the distance covered? Distance covered should be speed into time. It should be equal to v into t minutes. Again we have converted t minute into r. So distance covered ये होना चाहिए and it should be equal to velocity into time. How much time? T minutes. This 60 get cancelled. So v minus 20 into 18 is vt. Let us say equation 1. Now discussing the motion from B to A. Proceeding in the same manner, relative velocity of bus will be, अभी opposite direction से हम ले रहे हैं, person इधर से जा रहा है तो it will be v plus 20. person का speed and bus का speed. Relative velocity is taken when in opposite direction they are added. So it becomes v plus 20 kilometer per hour, right? सो व्हाट विल बी द डिस्टेंस कवर्ड, क्योंकि सामने से हर 6 मिनट्स में आ रही है बस, डिस्टेंस कवर्ड विल बी v प्लस 20 इंटू कितने टाइम में आ रही है, 6 मिनट में, 6 कन्वर्टिंग मिनट टू सेकेंड शुड बी इक्वल टू v t बाय 60, राइट. कैंसलिंग दिस equation comes out to be v plus 20 into 6 is vt, equation 2. If you look at the right hand side of both the equations, then right hand side is same, so we can compare both of them. What we can write, v minus 20 into 18 is equals to v plus 20 into 6, cancelling this 6 with this 3, this comes out to be 3v minus 60 is equals to v plus 6 is 18, yes, v plus 20, so 3v minus v is 20 plus 60 and 2v is equals to 80, v comes out to be 40 kilometer per hour. So what is the constant speed with which the buses are plying on the road? That constant speed is 40 kilometer per hour. अभी ये 40 का वैल्यू कहीं भी रख दो, फर्स्ट में रख दो, सेकंड में रख दो, you will get the value. Let us keep it in second equation, v plus 20 into 6 is v into t. So ये क्या हो गया, 40 plus 20 into 6 is equals to v कितना आ गया हमारा, 40 into t. ये हो गया हमारा 60 into 6 upon 40 is equals to t. This get cancelled out. This is 36 by 4, that is 9. और ये t हमने यहाँ पे किस में लिया, अपॉन 60 नहीं है, तो ये हमारा t किस में आ गया, मिनट्स में आ गया. इट मीन्स द टाइम, द कांस्टेंट टाइम by in which interval the buses are plying on the road is 9 minutes and the speed with which they are plying on the road is 40 kilometer per hour. So that is how we have applied the concept of relative velocity in this question. I hope you understood. Yes, coming to the next question, that is question number 3.18 from your textbook. So the question says a police van moving on a highway with a speed of 30 km per hour. So what is the speed of the police van? 30 km per hour. Fires a bullet at a thief's car. So say this is the police van. It fires a bullet on a thief's car. ये thief की कार जा रही है and ये पुलिस की वैन है, इसका स्पीड है 30, right, 30 km per hour. Speeding in the same direction with a speed of 192 km per hour. So the speed of the thief's car is 192 km per hour, very very high as compared to the speed of the police van, right. So if fires a bullet at thief's car speeding away in the same direction with a speed of 192 km per hour, if the muzzle speed of the bullet is 150 meter per second. अब ये जो बुलेट निकली है इसका स्पीड कितना है, 150 meter per second. With what speed does the bullet hit the thief's car? कितना स्पीड से ये बुलेट thief की कार को हिट करेगी? That is our question, right? So according to the question, what is the speed of the police van? The speed of the police van, let us say it is Vp, is 30 km per hour. Converting it into meter per second by multiplying with 5 by 18, we get 25 by 3 meter per second. क्योंकि ये किलोमीटर पर आवर में है, ये मीटर पर सेकंड में, एंड दिस इज अगेन इन किलोमीटर पर आवर. सो इसको हमने कन्वर्ट कर लिया मीटर पर सेकंड में. नाउ द स्पीड ऑफ द बुलेट इज गिवन एज 150 meter per second, right? Now when the police van is moving, when the policeman has not fired the bullet, that time also the gun was sharing the speed of the jeep or the speed of the van, right? Police van, whatever it is given, yes, police van. So जिस वक्त उसने फायर नहीं किया था गन, तब भी it was sharing the speed of the police van. That is why the gun as well as the bullet is sharing the speed of the van, right? So what we will take? We will take speed of police van is shared by the bullet. तो क्या? It will share the same speed. So relative speed of bullet with respect to ground. Ground के respect में suppose एक observer खड़ा है जो देख रहा है, उसको क्या speed दिखाई देगी बुलेट की? That will be the पुलिस वैन का स्पीड एज वेल एज बुलेट का स्पीड कंबाइंड. सो व्हाट विल बी द कंबाइंड स्पीड? 150 प्लस 25 by 3. 150 is the speed of the bullet and 125 by 3 is the speed of the police van. Adding both of them we get as 475 by 3 meter per second. Now with this speed the bullet is moving. Now The speed of thief's car as per the question is 192 km per hour. Converting this into meter per second, we get 160 by 3 meter per second. Right? Now we need to find that the question says that with what speed does the bullet hit the thief's car. बुलेट कितने स्पीड से थीफ की कार को हिट करेगी? Is it the combined speed or is it the relative speed? Yes, it will be the relative speed. जो relative speed होगी उस स्पीड से पुलिस थीफ को जो पीछे से बुलेट आती हुई दिख रही है उसी स्पीड से बुलेट विल हिट द थीफ्स कार, राइट? सो विल फाइंड आउट द रिलेटिव स्पीड ऑफ बुलेट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू थीफ. दैट इज speed of bullet minus speed of thief. What is the speed of bullet? We have to take the combined speed. What is the speed of bullet? That is 475 by 3 minus 160 by 3. So this is the speed with which the bullet will hit the thief's car, right? So solving, it comes out to be 5. It will be approximately, on solving you get it as 105 meter per second. Please check. So the speed of the bullet with which it hits the thief's car will be 105 meter per second. यहाँ पे हमें क्या याद रखना है? हमें ये याद रखना है कि स्पीड ऑफ पुलिस वैन इज शेयर्ड बाय द बुलेट. सो बुलेट का स्पीड सिर्फ उसका स्पीड नहीं होगा, ये वैन का स्पीड विल ऑल्सो बी शेयर. सो इट विल बी द कंबाइंड स्पीड एंड विद दैट we have to find the relative speed with which the bullet will hit the thief's car. Right, children? I hope this is clear to you.